Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be making a travel bag to hold the cosmetics or other stuff. So let's get started. For this project you're going to need 4 different types of fabric, fusible fleece, regular cotton interfacing, and 2 14-inch zippers. Using fabric 1, cut out a 14-inch by 12-inch rectangle and label it the lower front pocket. Using fabric 2, cut out a 9-inch by 12-inch rectangle and label it bag back. Using fabric 2, cut out a 2.5-inch by 12-inch rectangle and label it top front. Using fabric 2, cut out a 2.5-inch by 13-inch rectangle and label it inside pocket accent. Using fabric 2, cut out a 2 by 6-inch rectangle and label it top zipper tab. Using fabric 2, cut out 2 3-inch by 3-inch pocket zipper tabs. Using fabric 3, cut out a rectangle that's 7 inches by 13 inches and label it inside pocket. Also using fabric 3, cut out a 9-inch by 12-inch rectangle and label it front pocket lining. With fabric 4, cut out an 8 3/4 inch by 12-inch rectangle and label it bag lining. Using the fusible fleece, cut out 2 9-inch by 12-inch rectangles and label them bag outside interfacing. Using the fusible fleece, cut out a 7-inch by 12-inch rectangle and label it front pocket interfacing. Using the interfacing, cut out a 9-inch by 12-inch rectangle and label it bag back interfacing. Using the interfacing, cut out a 7-inch by 12-inch rectangle and label it front pocket interfacing. And last but not least, using the interfacing, cut out a 2-inch by 12-inch top front interfacing. Now that all the pieces are cut out, we can work on assembling the bag. Lay the front pocket lining over the fleece with the wrong side of the cotton to the fusible side of the fleece. Press with an iron. Lay the top front interfacing over the top front fabric, matching the top edges, wrong side of the cotton to the interfacing. Then iron the lower edge of the fabric up and over the interfacing, making the piece 2 by 12 inches. Place the raw edge of the top front on the lining, matching the top edges. Both fabrics right side up. Stitch across the bag top edge. Iron the lower front pocket in half, wrong sides together, making it 7 by 12 inches. Then put the interfacing and the fusible fleece onto the half that will be the front side, wrong side of the cotton, then the interfacing, and then the fleece. The folded edge of the pocket is the top edge. The next step is to shorten the zippers. To do this, cut the zipper so it's 9 inches, making sure to cut off the zipper stop. Then mark 1/2 inch from each end of the zipper. Take the 3-inch by 3-inch zipper tabs and fold one end in by 1/4 inch. Then fold it in half, wrong sides together, matching the raw edges, making the tabs 1.5 inches by 2 3/4 inches. Place the zipper in between the folded piece of fabric, making sure the folded edge is touching the 1/2 inch mark on the zipper. Trim off the excess fabric so that the zipper tape and the fabric are even. Center the front pocket folded edge on the zipper. Then sew 2 lines of stitching. Trim off any excess fabric from the zipper. Lay the zipper edge under the top front about 1/4 inch from the zipper teeth. Stitch 2 lines across the top of the front to the next zipper, catching all layers. Pin the pocket at the sides, aligning all layers. Trim the extra pocket fabric at the bag bottom, making the bag 9 inches by 12. Cut a 1.5-inch square notch from the bottom right and the bottom left corners. Pin the bottom, then stitch the layers together around the bottom notches. Put the interfacing and fusible fleece onto the bag back, wrong side of the cotton to the interfacing and then the fleece, so that the layers go in the order cotton, interfacing, fleece. Then cut a 1.5-inch square notch from the bottom right and left corners. To prepare the inside pocket with an accent, iron the pocket accent strip in half lengthwise, wrong sides together. Fold the pocket in half to 3.5 by 13 inches, wrong sides together, and place the folded accent in between, with raw edge and the accent toward the top edge. Sew along the top edge of the pocket and turn the pocket right side out, and then iron. Place the pockets 2 inches from the top edge of the lining, facing up, and then sew along the sides, the bottom edges, and then sew vertical lines that are 4 inches in each side. Sew on the dotted lines as shown above. Then cut a 1.5-inch square notch from the bottom and right left corners. Do this for both lining pieces. To prepare the top zipper, trim the zipper tape at each end so that it's 11 inches long. And press the tape together and sew about 1/4 an inch from each end. Fold the top zipper tab in half along the long edges and press, wrong sides together. Turn the raw edges on each side and press, creating a 1/2 inch by 6 inch strip. Cut the 2 pieces, each will be 1/2 inch by 3 inches. Place the zipper inside one of the folded zipper tabs. Sew the fabric to the edge and trim off the excess fabric. Do the same for the other side of the zipper. Center the closed zipper right side down on the bag front top edge. Sew the zipper. Put the bag front over the lining without a pocket, so right sides are together, aligning the top edges. The zipper will be in between the outside and lining fabrics. Sew on the previous stitching through all the layers. Center the unsewn edge of the zipper over the back, aligning the top edges, bag front and back, right sides together. Using the zipper foot, stitch in the center of the zipper tape about 1/4 an inch from the edge. Place the lining with a pocket right side up, and then put the linings right side together, aligning the top edges with the zipper back to the right side of the lining. The last edge of the zipper will be sandwiched between the lining fabrics. Sew on the previous stitching line through all 3 layers. Press the bag outside and the linings away from the zipper. Make sure the zipper is open and pin the bag outsides and linings right sides together. The zipper should not be in any of the side seams. Stitch around the outer edges, leaving an opening in the center of the lining bottom for turning. Fold outside bottom corners right sides together, matching the edge seams. Stitch across to make the bottom corner gusset. Do the same for the lining and bottom corners. Turn the bag right side out through the opening in the lining seam. Stitch to close to the edge of the bottom lining. Turn the bag right side out through the opening in the lining. Then stitch the lining closed, making sure to fold it first. Now your bag should be complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm very happy with the way this bag turned out. Please consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye.